Here's a GRE word problem. Let's take a look. 1/3 of a company's profits came from its northern territory, and the remaining profits were evenly split between the southern, western, and eastern territories. If the northern and eastern territories together accounted for $90 million of profit, what was the company's total profit? All right, so here we want to figure out what the total profit is. Why don't we call that X, since that's what we're trying to look for. And we're told that 1/3 of this profit, so 1/3 of X, came from the the northern territory. And the remaining profit, so how much is left if 1/3 went here? That means 2/3 of X was split between these three territories. And it was evenly split, right? So we could divide this number further by 3. And the way to divide something by 3, a fraction by 3, is to multiply it by 1/3. It's the same thing. So if I multiply 2/3 by 1/3, then what I get is 2/9, right? So 2/9 went to the southern territory, 2/9 went to the western, and 2/9 went to the eastern. Now this tells us that the northern, so this one, and eastern, one of these three territories, accounted for $90 million in profit. So we can just set up an algebraic equation here. We could say 1/3 of X plus 2/9 of X equals 90, or 90 million, and then solve. So let's do it. Well, if I want to add fractions together, I have to have a common denominator, right? So 1/3 of X in ninths would be 3/9. I'm going to write it over here. So 3/9 of X plus 2/9 of X equals 90, and we're almost done. Add these together, what do I get? 5/9 of X equals 90. To isolate X, I'm going to multiply both sides by 9, and divide by 5. I'll divide that by 5, and divide that by 5, and when I do that, it comes out to $162 million. D is the correct answer on this one. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my live online course, follow the link on my profile.